How to fix Assetto Corsa error. So if you want to fix the error, which is 0xc00007B error on your Assetto Corsa, then what you need to do is first, you just need something to open up your command prompt. You need to go with your search and then search for CMD, right click on it, and then go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you need to enter a command, which is sfc space /scan now, and hit the enter. Once you do so, this will scan your PC and it will look for any corrupted files that you have in your PC. Also, the game, of course, will be included as well. So once the scan finished, normally it should verify everything and fix every problem that you have within the files. And all you need to do is just go ahead and restart your PC and open the game and it should be fixed. But if that doesn't work, then you need to go with your browser, and on your browser, you need to search for Visual C++, redistributable runtimes all in one. Just type in that in your Google and click on the first link. Once you do so, you'll find this as an example. You'll have the download option here on the left side. Just click on the download button on the left side. Make sure to go and click on that. And here, you'll have to select an example as a server for download. Make sure to choose a server with a lower server load, and it should be close to your region that you live in. And it will be downloaded as a zip file. Once the zip file is downloaded, you just need simply wait for it, and you need to extract and install it. So here it is. Click on the install all bat option. After that, you'll find a run option right here. You need to click on run, and after that, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.